There are 6 suspects who have been named by the Attorney General, namely TK as the General Manager of the Precious Metal Management and Refinement Business Unit of PT Antam for the 2010 until 2011 period, HN for the 2011 until 2013 period, DM for the 2013 until 2017 period, AH for the 2017 until 2019 period, MAA for the 2019 until 2021 period, and ID for the period of 2021 until 2022. The disclosure of this corruption case began when the Deputy Attorney General for Special Crimes Investigate Team raised the status of a case of suspected criminal acts of corruption related to the management of gold commodity business activities in 2010 until 2022 to the investigation stage, and it was only revealed after 1 year of investigation.
Six former general managers of PT Antam Depika are suspected to commit conspiracy by misusing the company's manufacturing services. From 2010 to 2021, they illegally produced 109 tons of fake gold under PT Antam's brand. They are also engaged in illegal promotion at a significant price discount, which compared to the official price at Antam's website was much of a difference. This case involves Budi Said, who is the owner of PT Wijaya Group, who purchased 7,071 kilograms of gold in March 2018 through Aksi Anggrani, who is a marketer at Antam Surabaya Boutique. He bought the gold for 3.5 trillion rupiahs, which was based on a discount price. However, only 5,935 kilograms of gold were received by him, while 1,136 kilograms were missing and never received by Budi Said. Despite claims that he had paid full amount to Antam's account in installments.
The consequence could include the first legal sanction. The company may face hefty fines imposed by regulator like the OJK, criminal charge for corruption or embezzlement, and potential revocation of its operating or mining license. Second, reputational damage. The company reputation could be severely affected, leading to loss of public trust, strained relations with investor, customer, and partner, and a potential decline in stock price if it is publicly listed. And the third, civil liabilities. Investor or business partner harmed by the fraud may file lawsuits seeking compensation, and the company could face penalty for breach of contract or fraudulent practice. The fourth, regulatory action. Regulators may impose increased oversight, mandatory audits, and stricter compliance measures, requiring PT Antam to comply with enhanced reporting and operational standards.
This fraud of manipulated gold transactions happened mostly and mainly in Surabaya, East Java of Indonesia. Then after he was caught, he was brought to Jakarta Corruption Court in December of 2024, where Budi was found guilty for corruption and money laundering, which sentenced him 15 years in prison.
The fraud incident happened a long time ago from 2010 to 2021. During this time, some managers at PT Antam misused the process of stamping gold to produce fake or uncertified gold. However, the scam is just discovered now in 2024, but the fraud activity is likely to happen earlier. This fraud has caused the company to have a big financial loss. Overall, the fraud activity of the gold stamping issue has been going on over the year, but it is publicly known in 2024. The fraud was likely done for a personal financial gain. Some of the managers wanted extra money from themselves, even if it's against the company rules. Even if PT Antam does not support the fraud action because It harms their business and reputation, yet the individuals within the company might have seen an opportunity to cheat the system for their own benefit. So the fraud action were about greed and personal gain. It is not something that a company itself approves.
The first whistleblowing anonymous report from employee or outsider regarding suspected fraud. Second, audits, financial inspection by external or internal auditors to identify irregularity. Third, regulatory reporting, reviewing financial report to submit it to OJK and ITX. Four, data analysis, using analytical techniques to detect suspicious pattern or unusual transaction. 5. Law enforcement investigation. Police or KPK conduct investigation when criminal fraud is suspected. 6. Tip-off and market surveillance report from competitors or monitoring unusual market activity.
Budi Said, a wealthy businessman from Surabaya, was charged with causing a financial loss to the state amounting to 1.07 trillion rupiah in a corruption case involving gold transactions with PT Antam TPK. From this case, we can learn the importance of integrity and procedural compliance in business transactions to maintain trust and avoid significant losses.